welcome to my channel Faisal Physics CIS point to point explanation, examination, point of view explanation. In this video you will be learning about real image and virtual image. Real image means the image which can form on the screen. Virtual image means the image which cannot form on the screen. Let us see. Here I have four objects, two lenses and two mirrors: convex lens, concave lens, convex mirror, concave mirror. I am taking convex lens. So by using convex lens, I am trying to get image of tube light. We can see the image of tube light. That means this image is a real image. So lens convex we are using here. So image formed by convex lens is a real image because we can see the image on the screen. But in case of concave, we can't get the image on the screen. So what that is virtual image. Now let us see concave mirror. By using concave mirror, I am focusing image of tube light. You can see image of tube light. So such image is a real image. Now I am using convex mirror. So by using convex mirror, I am not getting image. So such type of image is called as a virtual image. Virtual image you can see in the mirror, or you can see by using a lens, concave lens. So these are virtual images which cannot be formed on the screen, but we can see with our eyes. So such type of images are called as virtual images. Let us see which type of image will form by using lenses and mirrors. Here we have convex lens. By convex lens, always real image will form except in one case. In case of convex mirror, always virtual image will form. In case of concave lens, always virtual image will form. In case of concave mirror, real image as well as virtual image will form. Thus, in case of concave lens and convex mirror, always virtual images will form, but in case of convex lens and concave mirror, virtual as well as real image will form. The formation of virtual image, real image will depend upon where the object is kept from the lens, whether it is on principal focus, beyond the principal focus, at infinity, at different positions. So depending on the positions, the image formation may differ.